The former PM, widely regarded as the architect of India's economic liberalization, played a pivotal role in transforming the country's economy during a time of severe crisis. His tenure as finance minister in the early 1990s and later as Prime Minister from 2004 to 2014 introduced policies that continue to influence India's growth. Known for his humility and academic brilliance, Singh's economic reforms and social welfare programs remain his enduring legacy. When Singh was appointed finance minister in 1991 by Prime Minister Narasimha Rao, India was on the brink of an economic collapse. The foreign exchange reserves had dwindled to levels that could barely cover a few weeks of essential imports like oil and fertilizers. Inflation was rising, the fiscal deficit was widening, and India faced a balance of payments crisis. Adding to the challenge, the Soviet Union, a key trading partner, had collapsed, cutting off a major source of cheap oil and raw materials. The situation demanded urgent and bold action. Singh, with his deep understanding of economics, introduced a series of sweeping reforms to stabilize the economy and pave the way for long-term growth. The 1991 economic reforms. Manmohan Singh's reforms were centered around liberalization, privatization, and globalization, which fundamentally changed the Indian economy. Singh's contributions went beyond his tenure as finance minister. As Prime Minister, he championed initiatives that targeted India's rural and underprivileged population, recognizing that economic growth alone could not bridge the gap between urban and rural India. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, MGNREGA, launched in 2005, this program guaranteed 100 days of wage employment annually to rural households. It addressed poverty, underemployment, and rural distress, becoming a cornerstone of his government. Manmohan Singh was not only a politician but also a distinguished economist. His expertise earned him respect globally, with many recognizing his efforts to integrate India into the global economy. His economic liberalization policies transformed India into one of the world's fastest-growing economies. He dismantled socialist regulations, attracting foreign investment and creating jobs. His legacy includes a modernized industrial sector, a strengthened banking system, and policies that uplifted millions from poverty. As India mourns his loss, history indeed remembers Dr. Manmohan Singh kindly, as the architect of modern India's economic journey and a leader whose policies continue to shape the nation's future.